Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics. It is the time to discuss your sample question papers and your CBSE board have released for term 2 sample question papers. Coming to mathematics, we'll be having two question papers in it. Mathematics for basic and mathematics standard. So first I'm going to discuss mathematics basic question paper. Okay, let's see here sample question paper mathematics basic class 10 session 2021-22 term 2 examination and maximum marks for 40. Time allowed for 2 hours. There are some general instructions. Let us see those. The question paper consists of 14 questions divided into 3 sections. 14 questions are divided into 3 sections A, B, C. In section A comprises of 6 questions. 6 questions each carries 2 marks. That will be 12 marks. 6 into 2, 12 marks. Internal choice has been provided in 2 questions. Among these 6 questions, for 2 questions, internal choice will be provided. Section B comprises of 4 questions of 3 marks each. 4 questions, 3 marks each. 4 3s are 12 marks. Internal choice has been provided in only 1 question. Okay. Section C comprises of 4 questions of 4 marks each. 4 questions, each 4 marks. 4 4s are 16 marks. And this is for total 40 marks. Okay. So let me repeat here. There will be 3 sections. Section A, Section B, Section C. In Section A, there will be 6 questions. Each carries 2 marks. And internal choice will be given for 2 questions. 6 2s are 12 marks. And coming to section B, there will be 4 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. And internal choice will be given for 1 question. 4 3s are 12 marks. Section C, 4 questions. Each carries 4 marks. 4 4s are 16 marks. And coming to section C, internal choice. Internal choice has been provided in 1 question. It contains 2 case study based questions. In this, 1 internal choice will be given and 2 case study based questions will be provided for you. Total it carries 40 marks and time 2 hours. Let's begin the paper. Section A, question number 1. Question number have internal choice. In this, question number 1, first question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 7x minus 6 equal to 0. So we need to calculate the roots for this. So observe here, the quadratic equation we can solve in many methods. Let me go with factorization method. Multiply this, 3 6 are 18 and this is minus 18, plus into minus minus. Find the factors for this in order to get minus 7. 9 2s are 18, but we should get here minus 7. So minus 9 plus 2. Okay. 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Among these two, 3x is common. X minus 3 3s are 9. So take out 3x common, 3 will be left. And among these two, plus 2 is common. X, 2 3s are 6 minus 3 equal to 0. Among these two, x minus 3 is common. X minus 3 into 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So you can equate to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0 or 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Transpose minus 3 other side, x is equal to plus 3 or 3x is equal to plus 2 transpose, it will be minus 2 and this multiple minus 2 by 3. Multiple if you transpose other side, it will be divided. So therefore the roots of the given quadratic equation are 3 and minus 2 by 3. you can end up with a statement here. 3 and minus 2 by 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So in this we have one more internal choice question. Find the values of k for which the quadratic equation 3x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0 has real and equal roots. Has real and equal roots. We remember nature of the roots in quadratic equation. Real and equal. Where do we get? When the discriminant is equal to 0, we say the nature of the roots are real and equal. Now discriminant is 0. Discriminant value is 0. Find the value of k. So that means first for the given quadratic equation, compare with the standard form of the equation. That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And write the values of a, b, c. A is equal to 3. B is equal to k, C is equal to 3. And discriminant value is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Discriminant you may use capital D or delta. Its value is b square minus 4ac. So substitute these in this k whole square minus 4 into 3 into 3 is equal to 0. K square minus 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 equal to 0. Minus 36, transpose other side, k square is equal to 36. Then square, it will become square root other side, plus or minus k is equal to plus or minus 6. That is k, either it may be plus 6 or k it may be minus 6. Therefore, k value is plus 6 or minus 6. Second question, 3 cubes, each of volume 64 cm cube, are joined end to end to form a cuboid. Find the total surface area of the cuboid so formed. Okay, let's draw the cube first. Okay, like this. Draw a cube. And the volume of this cube is 64 centimeter cube. Like this, how many cubes join to form a cuboid? 3, right? So now let me go with the next one. Observe carefully how I am doing. Yes, and from here to here. Okay, 2 cubes completed. This is also 64 centimeter cube. Now let me move to the third cube. And again, same manner, join. This is 64 centimeter cube. So 3 cubes have joined. So you can see the figure, 3 cubes joined to form a cuboid. We know volume of a cube. By using that, first let me find the side of a cube. Side, let me assume it as A or L or Yavish. You can take anything. I may assume here A. Length, breadth, height, all sides are equal. Let me assume it as A. So we know according to the formula, volume of a cube is equal to A cube. Right? I have taken here side A cube. A cube value is given. A cube is 64. Then what about A? This cube, apply cube to root. And 64 can be written as 4 cube. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So this 3 and this cube root will be cancelled. A is equal to 4 centimeters. Observe the figure carefully here. Only a side of a cube is 4 centimeter. Then look here. This is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeters. For a cuboid, this becomes the length. And whereas this becomes the breadth. Breadth, there is no change. When it is for a cube or a cuboid, breadth, there is no change. Now coming to height. Height also there is no change. When I join 3 cubes, then the length differs. What is the length of the cuboid here? 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 12 centimeters is the length of the cuboid. We need to calculate total surface area of cuboid. Formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And if you want, you can write them separately. Length is equal to 12 centimeters, breadth is equal to 4 centimeters, height is equal to 4 centimeters. These dimensions are for cuboid. Substitute in this. L value is 12, 12 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 4 into 12. And this will be 12 4s are 48, 16, 48. Add all this. 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 6, 22. 2 plus 4 will be 6, 7, 11. 112 into 2. That will be 224 centimeter square is the total surface area of a cuboid. Therefore, the total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 224 centimeter square. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Third one. An inter-house cricket match was organized by a school. Distribution of runs made by the students is given below. Find the median run scored. You can see the table here. Run scored 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Number of students 4, 6, 5, 3, 4. We need to find the median run scored by them. So this is the class interval and this is the frequency. And we need to draw one more column. Why we need this column? In order to write the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Complete this. Cumulative frequency. What we are going to do here? Continuously add the frequencies. 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Okay. And number of students, you can say it as N or the summation of F, total number of students. I can write it as N is equal to 22. Or you may write it as summation F also you can write. Okay. Total number of students, how many are there? 22. In order to find the median, first we need to identify the median class. How we can identify that? See the number of students. How many are there? 22. Find n by 2. N by 2, that is 22 by 2, it will be 11. So in cumulative frequency, observe where you get 11. 4, 10, 15 means 11 is there in this frequency. So if you want, you can round up with a pencil. This is the median class. How to identify median class? In total number of frequency, half of it where you get in cumulative frequency, that row is called as a median class. First, median class, if you want, you can write here 40 to 60. Median formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. L is the lower limit in the median class. L is equal to 40 and coming to N by 2 is 11. CF, cumulative frequency above the median class. This is CF. Okay. F, frequency in the median class. H indicates the class size. 60 minus 40, it will be 20. First, these all if you know, you can find this answer. So, L value is 40. 40 plus N by 2 is 11 minus cumulative frequency is 10 by F. F is 5 into class size 60 minus 40 will be 20. 5 4s are 20. You can cancel this. Is equal to 40 plus 11 minus 10 will be 1. 1 into 4. That is 40 plus 4 ones are 4, 40 plus 4 will be 44 runs is the median for the given data. Therefore, median is equal to 44 runs. Is this clear? Fourth problem. Find the common difference of the arithmetic progression 4, 9, 14, so on. If the first term changes to 6 and the common difference remains the same, then write the new arithmetic progression. Observe the arithmetic progression. So we say this as first term, second term, third term, so on. In the given question, first question is find the common difference. Common difference is denoted by the letter small d. How we are going to get this? Subtract first term from second term. That is a2 minus a1. That will be 9 minus 4. That is equal to 5. Common difference is equal to 5. And you have one more question in it. Common difference will be same. And the first term changes to 6. So here, first term a or a1 is changed to 6. And the common difference is 5. You may write this as a or a1, both are same. Then now write the new arithmetic progression. How will you write? 6 plus 5. General form of arithmetic progression. A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, right? So accordingly, A, 6 plus 5, it will be 11. And again, 11 plus 5, if you want, go on adding common difference also, you will get this. 11 plus 5 will be 16, so on. This is a new arithmetic progression when the first term is changed to 6 and the common difference is same. We get 6, 11, 16 is the new arithmetic progression. So let's move to the fifth one. The mode of the following frequency distribution is 38. So in this question, they have given already mode. Mode is equal to 38. What is mode? Mode already given for us. Mode is equal to 38. And look here carefully. Class interval and frequency is given. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Frequency 7, 9, 12, 16, X. We don't know X. 6, 11. And your question is find the value of X. Okay. So first we need to identify the model class. Model class, how we are going to identify? See here children, mode value is 38. 38 means observe the class interval where you get 38. See there, yes, 30 to 40 range, right? So let me select this as a model class. By seeing this, I am going to find the model class. After getting the model class, you need to identify here some letters. What is that? In mode formula, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, these all we are going to identify first. L, lower limit in the model class, that is 30. F1, frequency in the model class. F0, frequency above the model class. F2, frequency below the model class. H, class size. How we are going to get the class size? 40 minus 30, that is upper limit minus lower limit, that is 10. Okay, substitute now all this. 30 plus F1, 16 minus 12 by 2 into 16 minus 12 minus X into class size 40 minus 30, it will be 10. 30 plus 16 minus 12, it will be 4. 16 2s are 32 minus 12 minus X into 10. And by the way, what is the mode value? 38. Substitute that here. And now transpose this 30 this side. 38 minus 30 is equal to 4 by 32 minus 12, it will be 20 minus x into 10. Let me multiply it for 4. 4 tens are 40. Now 38 minus 30 will be 8. 8 is equal to 40 by 20 minus x. So cross multiply. 160 minus 8x is equal to 40. 160 minus 40 is equal to 8x. 160 minus 40 will be 120 is equal to 8x. X is equal to 120 by 8. And this will be 8 15s are 120. Therefore, x is equal to 15 is your answer. Okay, is this clear? Sixth problem, x, y and mn are the tangents drawn at the end points of the diameter DE of the circle with center O. Prove that xy parallel to mn. Observe here, xy and mn are the two tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter for a circle with center O. DE is the diameter. What we need to prove? We need to prove that xy is parallel to mn. So in circles chapter, I remember first theorem. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius of a circle through the point of contact. By using this, I am going to prove this. So you can write given data, given x, y and mn are the tangents. O is the center of the circle, DE is the diameter. These all you can mention. By that I can say here OD, radius of the circle, is perpendicular to the tangent drawn to any point on a circle. OD is perpendicular to xy. Implies I can write here angle ODX is equal to 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree. So observe here, this is a diameter. So I can extend this angle, that is angle XDE is also equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now again, by using this tangent by theorem 1, I say that OE is perpendicular to MN. That implies I can take an angle OEN is equal to 90 degrees. See here, this angle 90, then I can say angle DEN is also equal to 90 degree. So observe here, I am taking this angle and this angle. That means alternate interior angles for a diameter. You can see here, see alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, what I can say, if alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. That is xy is parallel to MN. So you can complete those all statements here. That is, when alternate interior angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. Therefore, xy is parallel to MN. Hence, it is proved. In this, you have one more OR question. Let's see that question here. In the given figure, a circle is inscribed in the quadrilateral ABCD. In the given figure, a circle is inscribed in the quadrilateral ABCD. Given AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm, CD is equal to 4 cm, and find AD. AD you need to calculate. So I can remember now second theorem of circles. What is that? The length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So here, how many external points you can see? A, B, C, D. That means 4 pairs of tangents you can see here, right? So, let me mark here P, Q, R, S. And now clearly you can observe 4 pairs of tangents. By theorem 2, I can write these all. So let us start writing that. If I consider A external tangent, AP is equal to AS. And if I consider B external tangent, BP is equal to BQ. And now if I consider C as an external point, then I will write CR is equal to CQ. And if I consider D as an external point, DR is equal to DS. Right? In order to calculate AD, let us add all these. Add all these left hand side and add all this right hand side. That means AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Okay. Now observe again the given figure. AP plus BP. AP plus BP is nothing but AB. And CR plus DR is nothing but CD. AS plus DS. AS plus DS. Where is AS? AS plus DS is nothing but AD. And remaining BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ is nothing but BC. Now, we know AB, BC, CD value. Substitute here. AB is 6. CD is 4. And we don't know AD. BC value is 7. 6 plus 4, 10. AD plus 7. And this one, let me write here. AD is equal to 10 minus 7. That will be 3 centimeters. What is AD length? 3 centimeters. With this, we complete section A. Now let's begin the 3 marks questions of section B. 7th one, an arithmetic progression 5, 8, 11, so on has 40 terms. Find the last term. 40 terms. Last term will be 40th term. Right? We need to find that term. And also find the sum of last 10 terms. Last 10 terms, identify here children. When there are 40 terms, last 10 terms means 31st term to 40th term. Let's find the solution. 5, 8, 11, so on up to 40 terms are there. How many terms? 40 terms. What is your question? Find the last term. This is one question. And one more question. Sum of last 10 terms. These are the 2 questions they have asked. Right? So first, in order to find this, for the given arithmetic progression, find first term and common difference. A is equal to 5. Common difference small d is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 8 minus 5, d is equal to 3. Therefore, common difference is equal to 3. And coming to your first question in this is last term. Understand here, there are 40 terms. Last term means 40th term. Right? Last term L or 40th term A40 also you can write. So, in order to find this, first we should write nth term formula or a general term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N value is 40. A value is 5. N value is 40 minus 1 and D value is 3. 5 plus 39 into 3. That will be 5 plus 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 11, 117. That will be 122 is your answer. What is this? This is last term or 40th term. Therefore, A40 is equal to 122. So, coming to next question, sum of last 10 terms. In 40 terms, what are the last 10 terms? That means from A31 to A40, we need to add all these terms. So, I remember a formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into, among these 10 terms, the first term is A31 and the last term is L means A40. So, observe here children, you remember A plus L formula. Here 10 terms sum means first term is A31 and the last term is A40. Now, in order to find this, I should know here A31, that is 31st term. 40th term already we know here. So first let me find A31 term. That is A plus n minus 1 into D you can write, or directly I go with general form A plus 30D. A value is, what is A value? 5 and D value is 3. 33 is 90. 90 plus 5 will be 95. A31 is equal to 95. Sum of how many terms? 10 terms. So I will write here n is equal to 10. S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into A31 value is 95 and A40 value is 122. 10 by 2 is 5. 95 plus 122 add here 217. And this you multiply 5 7s are 35, 5, 8, 10, 1, 0, 8, 5. Therefore, so here sum of 10 indicates for the given arithmetic progression A31 to A40. There are 10 terms. So those 10 terms I have added and the sum is 1085. Okay. Instead of S10, you can write sum of last 10 terms also you can write. Eighth problem. A tree is broken due to the storm in such a way that the top of the tree touches the ground and makes an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. Length of the broken upper part of the tree is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree before it was broken. So let us imagine the picture. Let us imagine a tree here. Okay. So due to a storm, see carefully, above this part, this is 8 meters height. This part is broken. And the broken part touches the ground. The top of the tree touches the ground and makes an angle 30 degree. Broken part length is 8 meters. Okay. So now this one let me do with a dotted line. Roughly you can imagine the tree there. The broken part touches the ground and makes an angle 30 degree. Tree is perpendicular right angle. So what we need to calculate here? We need to find the height of the tree before it was broken. So this is 8 meters, right? We need to find this. Let us assume it as x. X plus 8. We need to calculate the height of the tree. Height of the tree is how much? Find x. In x place you substitute that and add for that 8 meters. That is the height of the tree. Okay. Observe which trigonometric ratio you are going to take here. Here acute angle is here, right angle, and this is the hypotenuse, and this side is opposite. Opposite and hypotenuse, which ratio you are going to take? Sine, right? I am not writing any statements, but you do write in exam compulsory. Let us mark A, B, C, D. In right triangle DAB, take trigonometric ratio sine 30 degree is equal to opposite AB by BD, hypotenuse. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. AB we don't know. Let us assume it as x. BD 8 meters. Now 8 transpose other side. X is equal to 8 by 2. That is 4. X is equal to 4 meters. So therefore, what is the height of the tree? Height of the tree, either you may say AB plus BD you can say, or AB plus BC also you can say. Therefore, height of the tree AC is equal to AB plus BC, that is x plus 8, and we got x value 4. 4 plus 8, that will be 12 meters. Therefore, height of the tree is 12 meters. Along with this question, there is another internal choice question there. So let us discuss that. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of a road 80 meters wide. So let me draw two poles here and imagine this as a road. So just imagine, what is the width of this road? 80 meters. Okay. So on either side of the road, there are two poles which are equal height. So we don't know the height, let us assume it as h. And next, from a point between them on the road. Between them means at the middle? No, let's read the point. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the two poles are respectively 60 degree and 30 degree. From that point, the angle of elevation of top of the poles are different. That is 60 degree and 30 degree. So don't mark the point at the center. Somewhere aside you mark a point. Let the point be here. Okay. So now angle of elevation. Now what is the angle you should give here? Where you should mark 60 degree and where you should mark 30 degree. Don't blindly mark 60 and 30. Just observe carefully. The point is nearer to which pole? The point is nearer to which pole? Observe. That angle is greater than the other angle. So the point is nearer to this pole. So this angle is greater than the other angle. So one is 60 degree and another is 30 degree. Okay. And now find the distance of the point from the two poles. What is the distance of this point from this pole and this pole? So this you need to calculate. But I know total this width is 80 meters. So let us assume any one from this point to any one pole distance as x. Then what will be this one? 80 minus x meters. Right? So by using this, we are going to calculate now A, B, C, D, E. Now write the statements here. Let A, B and C, D be the two poles of having equal heights. Let the height of the pole be h. Okay. And the width of the road. These all statements you write. Directly I go for solving the problem. So let me take poles. Poles are perpendicular. Consider the right triangle ABE. ABE. See here, opposite and adjacent I am talking. That means take tan ratio. Tan 60 degree is equal to AB by BE. Tan 60 value is root 3. AB H BE X. I don't know anything. So let us assume as it is h is equal to x root 3. Mark it first equation. And then move to other right triangle. So consider right triangle CDE. Again opposite adjacent I am talking. That is tan ratio. Tan 30 degree is equal to CD by ED. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. CD, H, ED. ED is 80 minus X. And here H is equal to 80 minus X by root 3. And mark this 2. Observe from 1 and 2, H are equal. So equate 1 and 2 from 1 and 2. X root 3 is equal to 80 minus x by root 3. Send this root 3 this side. Root 3 into root 3 into x is equal to 80 minus x. Root 3 into root 3, 3x, and this minus x bring this side, plus x is equal to 80. 3x plus x is 4x. 4x is equal to 80. X is equal to 80 by 4. That is x is equal to 20 meters. Observe here. From the point E, this pole is 20 meters away. And coming to this one, This pole is 80 minus 20, that is 60 meters away. So in this problem, they have asked only the distance. If they ask you height of the pole, just see the equation 1, x value substitute here, height of the poles 20 root 3 meters. Okay, is this clear? Ninth question, PA and PB are the tangents drawn to a circle with center O. If PA is equal to 6 cm and angle APB is equal to 60 degree, then find the length of the chord AB. Observe the figure carefully. P is an external point and PA and PB are the tangents drawn to the circle with center O. So they asked to find the length of AB. If these two are tangents from external point, according to the theorem, I can say that the length of the tangents will be equal. So by that I can say PA is equal to PB. And by seeing the triangle APB, I remember sum of the interior angles. Sum of the interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. What are the angles here? Angle APB, angle BAP, angle ABP. Okay, I know APB, that is 60 degree. Angle BAP plus angle ABP is equal to 180 degrees. So transpose 60 other side. Angle BAP plus angle ABP is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. That will be 120 degree. Sum of these two angles is how much? 120 degrees. I know by theorem what I can say? Tangents are equal. If these two are equal, this is 6 centimeter, this will be 6 centimeter. If these two tangents length is equal, then I can remember in a triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are equal. That means this angle equal to this angle. So now I got these two sum is 120. Angle BAP is nothing but ABP. So instead of ABP, I will write BAP is equal to 120 degrees. 2 times angle BAP is equal to 120. Therefore, angle BAP is equal to 120 by 2. It will be 60 degree. Then angle BAP 60. BAP is equal to ABP. Therefore, both the angles is equal to 60. This is 60, this is 60 and one more given angle is also 60 degree. Therefore, triangle ABP is an equiangular triangle. All angles are equal. Then automatically all sides are equal. Therefore, what is the remaining side? AB is also equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. 10th problem. The sum of the squares of 3 positive numbers that are consecutive multiples of 5 is 725. Find the 3 numbers. So first understand here consecutive positive numbers. Let me imagine, let the 3 consecutive positive numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2. But here they have given consecutive numbers are multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 means just multiply 5 for this consecutive numbers. Okay, and rewrite this 5x plus 5, 5x plus 10. Okay, so these 3 are the consecutive numbers which are multiples of 5. Let me read the question again. The sum of square of these 3 numbers. So here sum means add. Sum of square of. See here whole square. All whole square. 5x plus 5 whole square. 5x plus 10 whole square is equal to 725. Again I repeat. The sum of squares of these consecutive positive multiples of 5 is 725. So find the three numbers. First, let us simplify this and find x value. After getting x value, substitute in this, you are going to get the answer. So now let me write here 5x whole square. It is 25x square. And here I can remember a formula, a plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab. 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50, x plus 5 5s are 25. And now again apply same a plus b whole square formula. A square, 5x whole square is 25x square plus 2ab. 10 5s are 50, 50 2s are 100, x plus 10 10s are 100 is equal to 725. Okay, now all x squared terms add here. 25 plus 25 plus 25, it will be 75x square plus 50x plus 100x will be 150x, and the numbers you add 25 plus 100, 125 is equal to 725. Now transpose 725 this side. 75x square plus 150x plus 125 minus 725 equal to 0. 75x square plus 150x and here minus 600 equal to 0. Now among these three, 75 is common. Take out common. X square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. 75, 0 by 75 will be 0. So leave 75 and write x square plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now again factorize this one. 1 into minus 8 will be minus 8. Minus 8, find the factors in order to get 2. That will be 4 2s are 8. Plus 2 you should get, so plus 4 minus 2. Rewrite this. X square plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Take out x common. X plus 4 and here minus 2 common. X plus 4 equal to 0. X minus 2 into x plus 4 equal to 0. Equate to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 4 equal to 0. X is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 4. So here I neglect this value. Why? In the question we have only positive numbers. So this is negative, leave this. So go with x is equal to 2 and substitute in x place 2. If x is equal to 2, what are the consecutive multiples of 5? 5x. 5x plus 5, 5x plus 10. 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. 5 into 2 plus 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 5 will be 15. 5 into 2 plus 10, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 10 will be 20. Therefore, the three numbers are 10, 15 and 20. This is 3 marks problem, and with this your section B is completed. Section C, 11th problem. Construct two concentric circles of radii 3 cm and 7 cm. Draw two tangents to the smaller circle from a point P which lies on the bigger circle. To do this problem, we need mathematical instruments. So here I am doing only with the freehand chalkers. You do with the instruments. Right? Construct two concentric circles of radii 3 cm and 7 cm. Take a point. Concentric means same center, different radii. So from this point, take a skyver. Draw 3 centimeters, one circle using this as a center. Right? And draw another circle from the same center with 7 centimeter radius. So observe here, like this, you are going to get two concentric circles, and this is 3 centimeters and this circle is 7 centimeters radii. Now draw two tangents to the smaller circle from a point P which lies on the bigger circle. On bigger circle, mark a point P. For smaller circle, you need to draw the tangents. What are the steps you remember in order to draw the tangent? First, join from this center to this point. Then do the bisector. From here more than half and from here more than half. Okay. Then this is a perpendicular bisector. Then with this as a center, do another circle. Okay, tangents as tangents means you need to draw two. So this new circle where it is touching the other circle, from there to this point, join. These are only the tangents. And mark the letter, you can mark any other letters, PA and PB are the required tangents. Write all the given data and do the construction neatly. So in exam, please don't do like this. This is only the construction with free hand. You have to do the same construction with your geometry box. And yeah, internal choice, one more question or question. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 6 centimeters. So let me draw a circle. What is the radius of the circle? 6 centimeters. Okay. Which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Which are inclined? Pair of tangents inclined at an angle 60 degree. So, find the length of the tangents. Tangents angle is 60. Then what about the angle at the center? It is 180 minus 60. Always you subtract from 180. 180 minus 60 degree will be 120 degree. So, observe here. First at the center, make 120 degree. And now as usual, how you do the tangents? Yes, like this and then arc, cut. I think you all know the drawing of a tangent, right? And the same manner, again a perpendicular, like this you can mark, and here again like this. Right, if you try to join this, your angle will be 60 degree. Definitely your angle will be 60 degrees. So mark here PAB. PA and PB are the required pair of tangents with an inclination angle 60 degree. And find the length of the tangents. 12th problem. The following age-wise chart of 300 passengers flying from Delhi to Pune is prepared by the airline staff. You can see the table here. Age, number of passengers. Less than 10, 14 passengers. Less than 20 years age, 44 passengers. Less than 30, 82. Less than 40, 134. Less than 50, 184. Less than 60, 245. Less than 70, 287. Less than 80, 300. So, find the mean age of the passengers. Find the mean age of the passengers. So, directly can we find mean? No. You need to change the table. Again, you need to change this. Less than 10 years. Less than 20 years means in this less than 10 years people are also there here. So, I don't want these 14 in this. That means we need to rearrange this. First, let us convert the age here. Less than 10, less than 20. Means the class size is 10. So, first let me write here 0 to 10. 10 to 20. 20 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 50. 50 to 60. 60 to 70. 70 to 80. Okay. So now this age convert into this manner. Now number of passengers 0 to 10. How many passengers are there? Only 14. Then 10 to 20 years age. How many passengers are there? It's not 44. So how to find this? In this less than 10 are also there. So what we need to do? Convert this. The frequency is cumulative here. So, how to rewrite? 44 minus 14. Subtract the before frequency and write here. 44 minus 14. It will be 30. Okay. So coming to next 20 to 30. 20 to 30 years. How many passengers are there? In 82, subtract 44. Like this, go on subtracting and right here it will be 38 and next 134 minus 82, it will be 52. Next 184 minus 134 will be 50. Next 245 minus 184 will be 61. And then 287 minus 245 will be 42. 300 minus 287 will be 13. Like this, go on subtracting and these are nothing but the frequency, number of passengers, Fi. In order to calculate mean, remember the formula mean. Mean x bar is equal to sigma Fi xi by summation Fi. This is the formula. So we need summation Fi. That means add all this 12, 14, 15, 17, 20 and this will be 3, 6, 9, 14, 19, 25, 29, 30. Therefore, total how many people are there here? How many passengers are there? 300. So I got summation Fi value. Right? So find summation Fi xi. Where is xi? How do you get xi here? Class mark. How we are going to get? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. That is 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 by 2 will be 15. Okay. Go on writing here. 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Okay. Now, next column, Fi xi. Fi xi. Frequency and the score you need to multiply. So, 14 5s are 70. Right. So, like this, 15 into 30, 450. And next 38 into 25. Let me calculate here. 38 into 25, it's 40. 5 3s are 15, 19. 2 8s are 16, 6, 7, 0, 15, 950. And this is 950. Next 35 into 52. 52 into 35. 26, 6, 15, 0, 12, 1820. Next 45 into 50. 0, 25, 5 4s are 20, 22. 2250. Then coming to 61 into 55. 5, 5, 3, 5. 3355 and next 65 into 42, 65 into 42, 10, 13, 20, 26, 0, 3, 7, 2, 2730 and last calculation 75 into 13. 3 5s 15, 22 and this will be 75, 5, 7, 9, 975. Okay. So now summation or a sigma Fi xi needed. That means add this column sigma Fi xi is equal to add all this 5 plus 5 10, 8, 18, 20, 30, 40. 4. 4 plus 4, 8, 17 and 27, 30, 37, 37, 46. 4 plus 1, 5, 7, 10, 12. 1, 2, 6, 0. So now this value substitute in the formula. 12,600 by 300. 0, 0 cancel and this will be 42. Therefore, mean of the given data is equal to 42. What is the question here? What is the mean age? Mean age of the people is 42 years. 13th and 14th are case study based questions, right? So let's see the 13th one. A lighthouse is a tall tower with light near the top. You can see the image there. These are often built on islands, coasts, or on cliffs. Lighthouses on water surface act as a navigational aid to the mariners and send warning to boats and ships for dangers. Initially, wood coal would be used as illuminators. Gradually, it was replaced by candles, lanterns, electric lights. Nowadays, they are run by machines and remote monitoring. Understand the problem carefully here. A lighthouse is a tall tower with a light near the top. These are often built on islands. Lighthouse acts as a navigational aid in order to warn the ships or boats for the dangers of underground rocks. It might be anything, right? Initially, wood coal would be used as illuminators. Gradually, they were replaced by lanterns, candles, electric lights. Nowadays, they are run by the machineries and now remote monitoring. Machines and remote monitoring. Next para. Prawns Reef Lighthouse of Mumbai was constructed in 1874 to 75. It is approximately 40 meters high. So what is the main point we need to understand here? Lighthouse height. What is the lighthouse height? It is 40 meters and its beam can be seen at a distance of 30 kilometers and its lighthouse beam can spread up to 30 kilometers, right? A ship and a boat are coming towards the lighthouse from opposite directions. So you can see the picture there. And anyhow, I do here also lighthouse. Imagine this is a lighthouse of height 40 meters. A ship and a boat are coming towards the lighthouse from opposite direction. And the angle of depression of flashlight from the lighthouse to the boat and ship are 30 degree and 60 degree. So boat, let me draw some far away here. You write here boat if you want and let me mark a point. What is the depression angle? How can we write the depression angle here? Take a horizontal line and the depression angle here. This is 30 degree. And now on other side of the lighthouse, there is a ship and its angle is 60 degree. 60 degree angle means which is nearer to the lighthouse. So what do? I just take here a point and let me mark a ship. Let me draw a ship here and mark this point. This is depression angle 60 degree. Okay. And this is a horizontal line. Okay. Boat and ship. So according to your question, C and this is D letter given. First question in it. Which of the two, boat or the ship, is nearer to the lighthouse? Observe here, which is nearer, C point or D point? Ship or a boat? Ship is nearer to the lighthouse. In first question, half of it is completed. That is, which is nearer? Ship is nearer to the lighthouse. Find its distance from the lighthouse. So we need to calculate this one. So lighthouse perpendicular and the depression angle you can convert into this side. That is, these two horizontal lines are parallel and this angle is alternate to this angle. Okay, that's 60 I'll mark here and we know height of the lighthouse is 40 meters. Find this. Opposite and this is adjacent. Which ratio we are going to take? That will be tan in right triangle ABC. If you want, you can write here ship is first one, ship is nearer to the lighthouse. Ship is nearer to the lighthouse. And what is the distance asked? So in order to calculate the distance, we are going to consider the triangle ABC. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to AB is 40 meter. BC we don't know. So BC is equal to 40 by root 3. So I should multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 again in order to get the answer. So that is 40 root 3 by 3 meters. The distance from the lighthouse to the ship is 40 root 3 by 3 meters. Second sub question in it. Find the time taken by the boat. Boat itself, that means here. Find the time taken by the boat to reach the lighthouse if it is moving at the rate of 20 kilometers per hour. Speed we know, and we need to find the distance, then we can calculate the time. So in order to find that, first we need to find distance BD. So consider the triangle, consider the right triangle ABD. And here opposite adjacent, tan ratio, tan, here also angle alternate 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BD. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. AB 40 by BD. BD is equal to 40 root 3. Cross multiply 40 root 3 meters. Now I got the distance. Given speed is equal to how much? 20 kilometers per hour. Convert into meters. 20,000 meters per hour, right? By 60 you can write. Okay. Now distance we know. This is the distance. We need to calculate time. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. That is, distance is 40 root 3 by 20,000 by 60 there. So you can bring this up. This 40 root 3, bring to the numerator, do the reciprocal and multiply. That is into 60 by 20,000. 1 0, another 0 cancel. Then 2 2s are 200s. Okay. 6 2s are 12 by 100 root 3. 12 root 3 by 100. Instead of root 3, let me take here 1.73 by 100. Okay, multiply these two. 1.73 into 12. 3 2s are 6, 14, 3. And this will be 1736, 7, 2076. And this will be 20.76. So if I multiply this, I got this. So 12 into 1.73 is 20.76 by 100. By 100, that means 0.2076 minutes. So 0.2076 minutes it takes time to reach the lighthouse. 14th question, this is also case study based one. So let's see the problem. Krishnanagar is a small town in Nadia district of West Bengal. Krishnanagar, which place we are talking here? Krishnanagar, which is in Nadia district in West Bengal. Krishnanagar clay dolls are unique in their realism and quality of their finish. They are created by modeling coils of clay over a metal frame. So this place is famous for toys. and they are looking very realistic and good quality, and the finishing is also very nice. And they are created by modeling coils with clay. The figures are painted in natural colors and their hair is made either by sheep wool or jute. See, these pictures look very realistic and they are made up of modeling coils of clay over a metal frame, and these are painted with the natural colors, and the hair of these toys are made by sheep's wool or jute. Artisans make models starting from fruits, animals, god, goddess, farmer, fisherman, weavers to Donald Duck and present comic characters. Those creations are displayed in different national and international museums. Varieties of models are created here, and these toys are displayed in national and international museums. And you can see some of the images of some clay dolls of Krishnanagar. Doll 1, a person with a weighing machine, he has some fruits there. And second one also, doll 2 is also having some fruits. Doll 3, it is looking like some cylinder and a spear head of a boy and a girl. Doll 4, a person with a drum you can see there, right? The ratio of diameters of red spherical apples. Doll 1, the radii of diameters of red spherical apples. See, doll 1 has red color apples, and which shape they are? They are in spherical shape. And doll 2, oranges. Oranges are in which shape? Spherical shape oranges. And the ratio of diameters of these is 2:3. Ratio of diameters is 2:3. In doll 3, male doll of blue color has cylindrical body and a spherical head. The spherical head touches the cylindrical body. The radius of both the spherical head and the cylindrical body is 3 centimeters, and the height of the cylindrical body is 8 centimeters. Based on the above information, answer the following question. So, pictures are very nice. So, first doll, a person with a weighing machine has some fruits, red color, apples. Second person with oranges, they are also spear shape. And the ratio of these two fruits, apple and oranges, ratio of their diameter is in 2:3 ratio. In doll 3, cylinder and spear are there. The radius of the spear head is how much? 3 centimeters it seems. And the height of the cylindrical body is 8 centimeters. Based on this information, we are going to solve the two sub-questions. Let's see the first one. What is the ratio of the surface area of red spherical apples in doll 1 to that of spherical oranges in doll 2? So you can write all the given data by seeing the picture. So let me write here. What is your question here? Ratio of surface area. Surface area of apples in doll 1. Surface area of apples. Apple by surface area of orange you need to find. Right? This is the question. So we know that what they have given, diameter of A, I'll write here, apple, and diameter of orange, DO I am writing. What is the ratio? 2:3. So instead of DA, I will write here 2R apples by 2 radius of oranges is equal to 2:3. See here, 2 cancel. The radius ratio of apple and oranges 2:3 I got. But look here, surface area of apple and surface area of orange I need. They are in which shape? Spherical shape. So what is the surface area? 4 pi RA square by 4 pi RO square. You can take R1, R2. But I am taking here radius of apple RA, orange RO I am taking. You can take 1 and 2 children. So look here, 4 pi cancel. What is RA square by RO square? RA square by RO square. I can write it as RA by RO whole square. And look here, what is RA by RO? We got RA by RO is equal to 2 by 3. Substitute here 2 by 3 whole square, that is 4 by 9. Therefore, the surface area of doll 1 and doll 2, spherical apples and spherical oranges, ratio is 4:9. Okay, is this clear? Coming to your second sub question. The blue doll of doll 3 is melted. Melted. So let me see here. Blue doll 3 is melted. Doll 3 is melted and its clay is used to make the cylindrical drum of doll 4. See, cylindrical drum of doll 4. Just to understand, I have written this step, children. Doll 3 is completely melted and that clay is used to make drum of doll 4. If the radius of the drum is also 3 centimeters, find the height of the drum. Okay, first let me write the given data. So here doll 3, which shape you can see? Cylinder and sphere. So complete doll 3 means I will write here volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere is equal to drum. Which shape it is? Again it is in the form of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. This is second cylinder and this is first cylinder, you imagine. Okay. You can write all the data. Cylinder radius is equal to 3 centimeters. Height is equal to 8 centimeters. Sphere radius is equal to 3 centimeters. And coming to cylinder 2 also. What is its radius? 3 centimeters. And we need to find the height of the drum. I don't know H2. Okay, H2 I need to calculate. So, see here, volume of cylinder formula is pi R1 square H1 plus volume of a sphere formula 4 by 3 pi R cube. Only one sphere there, so I have taken only R. And now coming to volume of another cylinder, pi R2 square H2. Okay, instead of R1, R2, all radius is same, right? So now take out common, pi R square, I'll take out common here, H1 plus 4 by 3, 1 R will be left. Okay, and coming here, pi R square H2. Pi R square will be cancelled. H1, what is H1 value? 8 plus 4 by 3 into 3. Radius is 3 now, is equal to H2. And this 3 will be cancelled. 8 plus 4. Therefore, height of the drum is equal to 12 centimeter. So, what is the height of the drum? 12 centimeters. With this, I am going to complete the sample question paper of term 2, and this is mathematics basic question paper. So, children, please do practice all the problems carefully, understand the question and then try to answer. So, in our next video, we are going to meet with mathematics standard question paper. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.